In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply grow and shrink animation effects to images in PowerPoint. This simple yet engaging animation can make your presentations more dynamic and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this effect with ease. First things first, let's head over to Microsoft PowerPoint for the web, open your internet browser and go to the Microsoft PowerPoint website. You'll need to sign into your account, so look for the sign in button and click on it. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, you'll be at the PowerPoint homepage. Now, you'll want to select a presentation to work on. You can either open an existing one or start a new presentation. For this tutorial, go ahead and click on a presentation you wish to apply the animation to. Next up, you'll need to choose the image you want to animate. Browse through your slide and click on the image you wish to apply the grow and shrink effect to. Ensuring you've selected the right image is crucial for the next steps, so make sure you see the image highlighted or outlined. Once you have your image selected, it's time for the fun part, adding the animation. Look towards the top of your PowerPoint interface for the Animations tab. It's typically located in the menu bar alongside other options like Insert and Design. Click on the Animations tab to reveal a variety of animation effects you can apply to your elements. With the Animations menu open, you'll see a plethora of options designed to enhance your presentation. Scroll through these options until you find the one labeled Grow and Shrink. Click on this effect and you'll notice a preview of the animation on your selected image. By default, the Grow and Shrink effect enlarges and then reduces the image's size. However, PowerPoint allows you to customize the speed and scale of this animation to suit your presentation style better. For instance, you can adjust the duration to ensure the animation lasts precisely as you intend it to, keeping your audience engaged without overstaying its welcome. To fine-tune the effect, instantly preview your adjustments to see how they work with your presentation's pace and flow. The beauty of this process is the ability to experiment with various settings until you achieve the desired effect that complements your overall theme and message. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily apply a captivating grow and shrink animation to images in your PowerPoint presentation. This simple yet effective technique will bring your slides to life, capturing and holding the attention of your audience. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and experiment with different animations to make your presentation stand out even more.